Hey friends, welcome to another review. This is the OPT02 Smart Toilet. Check this thing out. So the 80 up there, it just tells you how hot your toilet seat is, and that can be adjusted. It comes with this sweet little remote here. Nice, ton of nice features on here. We have the spray, massage spray. We have a dryer. You can adjust the temperature of the water just by pressing this. It has 3 stages on the water heating, and that is represented also on the toilet there. Also, we have the heated seat. Press this button here, it's at 0. Press it again, 93, 96, and 99 are the temperatures. You usually keep it at 93. It's nice to come out, you know, if you have to use a restroom in the middle of the night, it's pretty horrible to sit on an ice cold toilet. So this will keep it nice and warm for you. Also, it has a wind on here function too. Once you use the bidet, you could just press this and you can adjust the temperatures of the wind on there too to different settings. Very cool. Okay, another nice feature about this, got the RGB lighting. That can be changed. When the toilet seat is down, if you press this bidet massage button, then you can change the light to whatever you want. A lot of different colors here. It looks really cool, adds a nice atmosphere to your bathroom as well. I like the rainbow one's pretty cool. Kind of chases the colors through there. Anyways, now as you approach the toilet, check this out. Boom, toilet seat just opens automatically. Also has a little sensor down here on the bottom. So say I want to open up the toilet, the seat cover there, just put your foot down by there and it automatically lifts that up. All right, now I want to flush the toilet, say, just put your foot down there again. You don't have to push any buttons or anything. The first thing it does is swirl some water around, and then it does a really powerful blast. A really powerful blast of water. This one does not have a tank. So it is tankless, so I think it saves more water, and you don't have to worry about having a tank of water there on your toilet. So it's very sleek looking, very comfortable. The toilet seat is nice and warm. Hardly this thing, because of the amount of water, and when you initially sit down, it also puts some water around the edges, so stuff doesn't really stick to it, and it just cleans really well. So we really like that about this. Okay, another thing about that, you do have to plug this in. Setup wasn't as difficult as I thought it was going to be. I do have a plug-in like inside my cabinet there, so I just drill a little hole in here, plug that in, and then you just attach your things in the back here. So that was fairly simple. Once I did that, it comes with a seal too, so you just run a little bead of caulking around the bottom and you're good to go. This thing is quite amazing. Here's the remote. As I said, it has all these things. You can flush the toilet from here also, and on the button on the side you can use that to flush it or control the other things. So it does have the light here on the back of the remote. You press that and it turns off the toilet light. I like to leave it on, it's kind of cool. And then if you want to clean your wand, you just press this auto button. That comes out and it's just going to wash it off. And if you have maybe it's a little dirty, you can use a toothbrush to clean that. Once you're done, you press that, it stops and it goes back. This little side one here is where the air comes out of, and it's really cool. This toilet is really amazing. My wife and I, we really like this toilet. It's just a very nice upgrade. If you're just used to having just like a normal, regular toilet, this thing has all the bells and whistles. I highly recommend it, my friends. Yeah. See, we want the cover down. I can either put my foot here and it'll shut down everything, or I can just hit the open seat button or the open cover button, and it'll just close too. And it's ready to go. I mean, look at that. It's nice and sleek, very modern looking. Installation was quite easy, super easy to use. Thanks so much for watching this review, my friends. I hope it's helpful. You guys have a great day out there, and I'll see you next time.